Good morning, students. Today we will talk our next topic and next development, which is second number psychological development. It is second objective of physical education. Name is psychological development, in which in it we will learn about our psychological balance. We will talk about the psychological development, and we will talk also importance of physical development, psychological development, benefits of psychological development. Today we'll talk about it. So let's go. Our next objective of physical education is psychological development. Okay, my dear. First of all, we have to know about the psychological development. What is development? Okay, my dear. So psychological development is that development which helps us better understand how people grow and adapt at different life stages. Okay, my dear. Psychological development is that development that gives us knowledge and gives us and also helps us better understanding about how people grow, development and adapt at different life of stages. ये हमें बताता है कि व्यक्ति अपने जीवन में अपने भिन्न भिन्न पड़ाव पर, भिन्न भिन्न स्टेज पर कैसे कैसे ग्रोथ करता है, और वो कौन कौन सी स्टेज होती हैं जहां व्यक्ति साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट अपना शो करता है, उसको आगे बढ़ाता है, उसको समझता है, उसकी ग्रोथ करता है। ऐसे हम जानते हैं मनुष्य का जीवन बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, और जन्म से लेकर के बच्चे के जन्म से लेकर के और मृत्यु तक उसे काफ़ी सारे स्टेज आते हैं। बच्चा छोटा होता है, उसे कोई ज्ञान नहीं रहता है, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे बड़ा होता है, वो अपनी सेकंड स्टेज में आता है, फिर वो अपनी एज के अकॉर्डिंग वो समझना शुरू करता है, लोगों के बारे में समझता है, सोच रखता है, अपनी जो साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट है उसको ग्रो करता है। उसके बाद अगली स्टेज आती है, बच्चा स्कूल जाता है, पढ़ने लगता है और अपनी टीन एज में धीरे धीरे आने लगता है। तो उसमें क्या होता है, उसकी ग्रोथ का जो रेशियो होता है वो अलग हो जाता है। उसके बाद बड़ा होता है, ग्रेजुएशन करता है, उसके बाद फिर अपनी नौकरी वगैरह के लिए अप्लाई करता है, नौकरी करता है। उस स्टेज में उसकी ग्रोथ अलग होती है। आफ्टर दैट जब वो 40 साल का हो जाता है तो उसके बाद उसकी जो एज है वो बढ़ जाती है और उसकी अगली स्टेज आती है। उस स्टेज पर आकर के वो अलग प्रकार से ग्रोथ करता है, उसका साइकोलॉजिकल जो बैलेंस होता है वो अलग होता है, और धीरे धीरे वो अपनी एज के अकॉर्डिंग, अपनी स्टेज के अकॉर्डिंग क्या करता है, अपने साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट को बढ़ाता रहता है। I think it is clear. And they apply this knowledge to help people overcome developmental potential and developmental challenge and reach their full potential. जैसे जैसे व्यक्ति के स्टेज बढ़ते जाते हैं, उसके जीवन के अध्याय आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं और व्यक्ति क्या होता है, वो अपने अगले पड़ाव पर जाता रहता है, तो उसकी मैच्योरिटी बढ़ती रहती है, उसके सोचने समझने शक्ति बढ़ती रहती है, वो अपनी डिसीजन अपना आप ले सकता है। तो उससे क्या होता है, हर स्टेज पे व्यक्ति को साइकोलॉजिकल चैलेंज मिलते हैं, जिसके माध्यम से क्या करता है, उन चैलेंज को वह स्वीकार करता है, अपनी पोटेंशियल को, अपनी क्षमता को धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ाता रहता है। और जब वह पूर्णतः मैच्योर हो जाता है तो अपने डिसीजन आराम से ले सकता है, एंड ही कैन एक्सेप्ट एवरी चैलेंज बिकॉज नाउ ही इज मैच्योर, एंड he can think about more and more to different challenges according the stage of his life. And a degree in psychology can lead to a fulfilling career that makes a difference in people's lives. And when after the stage, after being mature, we have an angle, and we have a degree in psychological field, in psychology field area, where we can show ourselves, we can lead our life, our thinking, our thoughts, our emotions to fulfilling our career. And this is also is helpful to makes difference among the people and their lives, their levels also. It is helpful to give us a level, a platform where we can think, we can be thought about the people, we can understand them very well, because it is our psychological development, and it is helpful for everyone. Or this development is related with positive thoughts, ideas, behavior, attitude and responses. साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट का मतलब है, साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट इज दैट डेवलपमेंट which has positive thoughts, ideas, behavior, attitude and responses, that is called the physical development. It is very easy or simple definition of physical development, of psychological development. Having good attitude, positive thoughts, ideas, behavior and responses, that is called our psychological development. It increases, it increases according our stage. Okay, and this objective improves the psychological balance of an individual. ये जो डेवलपमेंट होता है वास्तव में व्यक्ति की व्यक्तिगत पर्सनैलिटी को शो करता है कि वो कौन सी स्टेज में है, उसकी कैसी मैच्योरिटी है, उसकी थॉट्स कैसे हैं, उसका आचार विचार कैसा है, उसका बिहेवियर कैसा है, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी कैसी है, वो सभी इसी पर डिपेंड करती है, उसकी स्टेज पर। आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर। साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट इज दैट development in which we have positive thoughts, ideas, behavior, attitude and responses, that is called the psychological development, and it comes according the stage of age and it is helpful to improve ourselves according the stages of our life. I think it is clear. After it, we will talk about the pillars, the functions of psychological development. किसकी कौन कौन से पिलर्स हैं, कौन कौन से मुख्य बिंदु हैं, पार्ट हैं जो हमारे लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं. मेजर पार्ट कौन कौन से हैं? तो दे आर मैनी मेजर पार्ट्स of psychological development. First is biological development. Biological. Second is psychodynamic. Third is cognitive. And last is humanistic. These are the pillars of social development. With the help of these pillars, we can improve our psychological balance. We can give ourselves psychological development. We can give. So it depends only on ourselves, on us. How can we improve our psychological development, psychological balance? I think it is clear. After that, we will see the benefits of psychological development. और हम क्या करेंगे, साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट के जो बेनिफिट्स हैं उसके बारे में जानेंगे कि कौन कौन से बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. ओके. साइकोलॉजिकल development help us better understanding the people how to grow. Yes, and there are so many benefits of psychological development, many benefits. With the help of them we can improve our this criteria: physical development, social development, emotional development through the psychological development. So there I am going to tell you about the some or main 8 important benefits of psychological development. Number 1 is people skills. With the help of the psychological development, it is our first benefit, people skills. All people can increase their benefits. Okay. And second is success start. According our stage we can change our lifestyle, we can get success. It is our second benefit. Next is personal therapy. When we improve our psychological development, it gives us personal therapy. We can improve our personality and we can remove negative thoughts, attitudes and ideas, behavior of our mind. With the help of the psychological development, it is our next benefit. Next one is problem solving skills. It gives us how can we solve our problem. It develops this skill in ourselves. Problem solving, it is very important. And next is conceptual, which is also helpful. With the help of it, we can give a new bend in our life. We can change our thoughts and behavior. Next benefit of psychological development, communication skills. With the help of psychological development, we can improve our psychological or communication skill. I think it is clear for everyone. And it gives us a platform where we can improve ourselves, we can show our talent. And next is behavior training skills. It is our next benefit. We can give the benefit to society, nation, and other peoples which are related with us. Yes, it is a massage for society, for everyone. And last is memorization techniques. With the help of psychological development, we can improve, we can make strong our techniques, which is called the memory. We can improve our memorization techniques. So my dear, these are 8 benefits of psychological development. It is clear? And after this, some more are: it increase academic growth, it gives us critical thinking, analytic skills, gives us also a leadership skill, teamwork skills, time management skills. With the help of this psychological development, we can improve our these skills also, and these are the benefit for us. Goal setting, these are some more important benefits and skills. Yes, so after the benefits, there are so many skills of psychology development: academic writing, presentation skills, critical thinking and analysis skills, abstract resourcing, communication and interpersonal skills. These are the skills of psychological development. Next is leadership and teamwork skills, organization or time management skills, goal setting skills. These are some skills. With the help of psychological development, we can improve our these skills, which are very helpful in our day-to-day life, and with the help of them we can prove ourselves at any stage, many levels. Yes, so my dear, it was our psychological development. Yes, in the end of this video I am going to describe again, it is summary of this topic. Yes, psychological development is that development which has positive attitude, positive thoughts, ideas, behavior and responses. That is called the psychological development. Yes, there are so many major pillars of psychological development. Yes, biological, and next is cognitive, psychodynamic, humanistic and behavior. These are the pillars of psychological development. And after it, benefits: people skill, success, personal therapy, problem solving skill, communication skill, behavior training skill, memorization. These are the skills. And best skills, these are benefits and the skills of psychological development are academic, writing, presentation skills, critical thinking and analysis skills, abstract resourcing, communication and interpersonal skills, leadership skill and teamwork skill, organization or time management skills, goal setting skills. These are the skills which are helpful for us in psychological development. Okay, my dear. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask me. You can contact to me and your class teacher. Okay. Have a nice day and best wishes for everyone. Okay, my dear. Have a nice day again. Thank you very much.